Good afternoon. The government plans to send 2 military aircraft to evacuate as many as 350 citizens from Lebanon as early as tomorrow, so the Defence Minister Margarita Robles said this morning. The aeroplanes are ready, the staff are ready, as always with the professionalism of the Spanish army, she said in a TV interview. A group of citizens in Lebanon have asked to come to Spain, Robles said. The Foreign Minister Jose Manuel Albares had said earlier this week that around 1,000 Spaniards were in Lebanon. Israel was hit yesterday evening by rockets launched from Iran following a ground incursion of the Israeli armed forces into South Lebanon, where they clashed with the Iran-backed Hezbollah group. The operation followed intense airstrikes that have devastated Hezbollah's leadership, including the longtime chief Hassan Nasrallah, who was killed in Beirut last week. The Ministry of Health has drafted a royal decree to regulate the use of medical cannabis for specific health conditions. The proposal has been open for public consultation as the government responds to a 2021 subcommittee recommendation for medical cannabis regulation. The regulation will allow patients suffering from certain conditions to access standardised cannabis preparations when conventional treatments are ineffective. The Health Ministry emphasises that improvements and updates to the regulations will be made based on patient needs and medical developments. The proposal also includes the creation of a specific registry for cannabis-based medical products. With the arrival of autumn, flu cases are once again on the rise, and experts are warning this season may be particularly severe. Drawing insights from countries like Australia and New Zealand, which have already faced intense flu outbreaks during their winter months, the health authorities are preparing for a challenging few months ahead. Flu's resurgence comes after a lull during the COVID-19 pandemic, but now, as the virus returns, the focus has shifted back to prevention. Madrid has already announced its early vaccination campaign starting next week, which will cover both flu and COVID-19. Medical professions stress the importance of vaccinating high-risk groups, including the elderly, pregnant women and individuals with chronic conditions, to reduce hospitalizations and prevent fatalities. And the number of people registering as jobless rose by 0.12% in September from a month earlier, or by 3,164 people, leaving a total of 2.58 million people out of work, so data from the Labour Ministry shared this morning. That's the latest from TRE. I'm Bob James.